Step 1. Conduct your advanced search. We start the living review in the bibliographic library of the PHSM Knowledge Hub. Identify citations to answer your research question by conducting an advanced search within the PHSM bibliographic library. In our case, the research question is face masks for influenza. Step 2. Send your search results to a living review. Choose Start a Living Review. A message will appear prompting you to send the search results to the SK platform. The retrieved references and applied filters will be automatically transferred from the bibliographic library. After clicking the Send to SK platform button, you will be redirected to the platform's homepage, where you will need to sign up upon first use or log in if you already have an account. The login is necessary to keep your work secure and allow for evidence syntheses to turn into living reviews. Step 3. Set up your PHSM Living Review. Once inside the platform, start by naming your review and selecting or creating a folder for organizing it. When you're ready, click the Create Review button to continue. Step 4. Set up your screening and data extraction methods. Define your screening approach by selecting whether to review potentially eligible articles in duplicate or through a single reviewer, as well as the method to resolve discrepancies. Next, define your data extraction methods by choosing to extract data in duplicate or through a single reviewer, as well as the method to resolve discrepancies. Step 5. Confirm your search strategy. The search strategy created in the advanced search of the PHSM bibliographic library is displayed prior to starting the screening process. If you want to make changes to the search terms of the strategy, you will be redirected back to the bibliographic library to create a new synthesis. Once you confirm the search strategy, you can move to the next step. Step 6. Apply automated classifiers. To help users reduce irrelevant articles, an automated classification system was developed for the PHSM Knowledge Hub. The classifiers can be applied to key variables, such as diseases, PHSM categories, settings, outcomes, and study designs. All classifiers achieve at least 95% sensitivity compared to a manually curated set of relevant articles. The classifiers are synchronized between the bibliographic library and SK platform, meaning when you activate a filter in the bibliographic library, it will also be displayed as selected in the SK platform. At this step, you can activate additional or deactivate previously selected classifiers. This will influence the dataset of your review, and hence the number of references that require manual screening. After choosing your classifiers, select Apply Automated Classifiers. A preview of the screening workload will be displayed as graph. Step 7. Screen references. The SK platform includes a built-in screening tool. If you click on Edit, you can add reviewers to the process as applicable. After entering the necessary information, click the Save and Close button. Click on Screen References to access the Title and Abstract screening tool. The references retrieved from the PHSM bibliographic library will appear automatically. You can now screen each abstract and record your decisions about inclusion or exclusion by clicking on the Yes or No buttons. If you are screening by full text, you will need to upload PDF versions of the potentially eligible articles. Due to copyright protections, you may need individual subscriptions to access and download some full texts. Uploaded documents will be accessible to your synthesis team and will remain available for future review updates, but will not be shared with other users or projects. To track your progress, the screening statistics box will display a summary of the results. Using the download menu, you can export a RIS file containing the included, excluded, or total references assessed. You can save your work and return at a later time to complete the review process. Step 8. Data extraction. To begin with the data extraction, upload the PDFs of the included references if not already done during the screening process. By clicking Start Data Extraction, an AI-based assistant will help extract predefined information such as study design, population, or outcomes. You can insert and edit the suggested information or reject it and manually complete the sections. As you continue extracting data, you can preview the results in the Data Extraction Summary tab. A label will indicate the status of the extraction. In addition, you can filter which columns should be visible in the summary, and you can download the data extraction table by selecting Export Summary. After data extraction is complete, clicking on Generate AI Summary will produce an automatic summary for each included study and their narrative synthesis. Step 9. Prisma Flowchart. Go to Figures and Tables to automatically generate a Prisma flowchart that visually represents your screening process. Step 10. Manage your citations. All included references will appear in the Citation Manager. Additional references for writing your report can be added by selecting Add New using RS file, Epistemonikos, or PubMed IDs, or via manual entry. Step 11. Write your Living Review Report. The Report Manager generates a draft Living Review Report, including suggested section headings based on the selected methods and the results from the screening and data extraction phases. Some sections, such as the background, require manual drafting. However, an AI-powered assistant is available to support the writing of sections like the methods and the narrative summary of included studies. All text can be manually edited, and reviewers remain fully responsible for the final content of the Living Review Report. You may also include the Prisma flow diagram and the table of included study characteristics in the report. When the report is complete, you can export it as a Word document. Step 12. Project organization and Living Review updates. After completing a Living Review, the Next Steps section offers options to update the review or start a new one. As new evidence is added to the PHSM bibliographic library, any potentially relevant articles that match the search strategy will become available for updating the screening and subsequent steps. If you wish to conduct reviews on different topics, you can organize your projects into personal folders within the Knowledge Hub Living Reviews folder. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy using the PHSM Knowledge Hub Living Review tool.